Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. Hi! I feel so sassy and pretty today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I am less than 10 people away from my 1,700 subscriber giveaway, which will be a huge giveaway, including some Pat McGrath and some other fancy stuff, because I have a lot of stuff to give. I have so much to give. I just want to share it with you. Hope you are ready for my Ipsy Glam Bed Plus. It's super heavy and I know why. And I'm very excited about it. I do know what I'm getting. And I did get an email where I could write down what everything costs. So I know the value of the bag, even though they don't give you a card that says what everything is in the description, which I really wish they would, but they don't. So we've got a beautiful, oh shit, beautiful bag full of stuff. What fell? A thing fell. I'm just gonna stick it in the bag. It was tight. And we've got, it looks like some brushes. So that's it. That's the bag empty, but it's chock full and it's got a nice weight to it. Let's take a look at these brushes from Iconic London. Who doesn't love a nice brush set? Everybody loves a nice brush set. And I think these should be pretty cool. And there are 4 brushes and they all look very similar. But you can, you can make a nice look with these brushes. And this set of brushes is worth $40, and it comes in a nice drawstring, which will be great for gift giving. So $40 for some brushes. Then the thing that I just stuck in the bag. I'm so excited about this. If I didn't already have like a full beat on, I'd be trying this out. I might try it out on my hand. This is from REM Beauty, and this is a lip stain pen. And this is a color. Oh, it's such a pretty color. It would look great with what I'm wearing. But I have my Super Matte Stay ink from Maybelline on. But I love a lip stain. Look how fat that is. I'll put it right there. Ooh, that's gonna look amazing. That is going in my purse. My cat is playing with the closet door. It freaked me out for a second. Let's see if I can wipe that off real quick. Oh, yep, came off pretty easy. Hopefully it'll stain better than that. So we've got a $16 REM Beauty lip stain pen, which I'm excited about. Next up, this bag is, so I love this drawstring bag. It's very nice. Next up, I will take this out, and this is Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. And I did choose this, and I am a perfume aficionado. Not that I am like the expert of perfume, but I just enjoy perfume and have a large collection. And I cannot wait to smell what this smells like. And it's a perfume oil, which means it'll last, the scent will last longer. And it's a beautiful, clean looking bottle. And it is universal, which I believe means it's a universal scent. Let's see, I'm gonna have to roll this on. Oh my God, it's so good. It smells very clean. It smells a little sweet, but it smells amazing. Oh, I love it. I'm in love with it. This is so nice. And this is from Gloss Moderne. And it's a luxury parfum. And it's paraben free and something else free. phthalate free, and it's vegan. And it's it's 15 milliliters or half ounce. And it is worth $87. So this is a very nice thing to have in my bag. I'm really excited about it. I can't wait for people to hug me tonight and smell how delicious I am. Fantastic. I'm throwing the box away because I just don't even care about it. Then I have from Elemis Superfood, and this is a midnight facial. And when I run out of my Saturday skin that I've been using, I plan on using this midnight facial from Elemis, because I love a midnight sleep mask or a midnight facial treatment. I don't always remember to do stuff during the day, but I can always remember at night. And the pink goes with me and my hair. It smells so good. Everything's smelling good. It's got a it's hard to smell because I've got that perfume on my hand. It's a vaguely citrusy scent, and there's a lot of it there. I'm very excited about it. This is $50. Elemis is some very nice stuff. So this is, after I'm done with my Saturday skin, I'm switching over to this. I may even look for more of this on Mercari, because I just know I'm gonna love it. And then I have this, which is an add-on, which is another perfume, and it's a large perfume. I don't remember how much it was, but this is Memoir Garden Party 02. And I don't do a lot of add-ons, but I was like, I think it was like $12 or $18. And even if I don't like it, I know I'll know somebody who will probably like it. Oh, this is a big, heavy bottle. I just broke my nail. God damn it. Damn it. I broke my nail. Now I'm going to have to get my nails done. I was trying to drag it out as long as I could. But I broke it right off. Damn. I'm so upset. Oh my God, look how large this is. Let me get my magnifying glass out. It says, Garden Party, Memoir Archives Fragrances capture the essence of time. Embark into our sensory exploration of places and emotions. And this has Astro, Miria, Jasmine, and Blooming Magnolia, 3.4 ounces. So this is a giant full-size perfume that's worth a lot more than I paid for it. And let's spray it in the air like I just don't care. Oh, come on. It's not one to spray. It smells good, but I like it. I like it. It's very fresh, and I can definitely smell the jasmine and gardenia. This is great. It's going with my collection. Very nice. I feel very fortunate. I just wish I hadn't broken a nail on it. So this is a great add-on. And then we have, we finally have the card, and it says Creature Comforts. The weather outside is getting frightful, but we've got you covered with all the things delightful. Cozy up to this month's array of creature comforts, nourishing skincare, at-home treatments, and feel-good makeup for guaranteed beauty bliss. And this talks about calligraphy being self-care. I don't believe that. Then we have, last but not least, a palette. Man, I'm mad about my nail. I know, Rhonda, get over it. Get over it. And this is from Ace Beauté, which makes very nice palettes. Let's see if I can't open it up without causing further damage to another nail. And if I remember, this is a very pretty color story. This is Violet Sage. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. And that is totally a palette that I'll use. Because sometimes I don't keep all my palettes. I put them in giveaways and such. But this is great. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm smelling everything. Perfume everywhere. So that's great. I will definitely use that in a video. I'll put that in a video, a good look with this. So we've got this gorgeous palette, which is $32. We have the brushes. We have the Elemis. We have the perfume. We have the lip stain pen. And then the add-on of this. The add-on is separate from my total value of this bag. This bag's value is $225. And this bag is about 30 bucks. With it's like $28.99 or $27.99 plus $2 for shipping and handling or some shit. So it's a great value. I'm totally thrilled. This is so much better than my Boxy Premium. I'm totally loving this month's Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, I hope that you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.